how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy, only to do just go to settings, and then once you're here, go to update and security, and here make sure your Windows is updated, and after that go back and then go to apps. And now just close all the applications that you don't need here, like all the applications that you don't need, just to free up some space, and to make sure you have enough space to install GTA 5. And after that, open Task Manager, and here just close the applications that you don't need, like Discord. Right click and close it, and that's it, just to free up your memory. And now just wait, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.